As many of you may have heard, South Africa is entering uncharted territory with coalition talks that could reshape its entire political landscape. In the recent elections, no single party, including the long-dominant African National Congress, or ANC, managed to secure a majority. This is monumental because it's the first time since the end of apartheid in 1994 that the ANC hasn't held a majority. It's a moment that marks the end of an era and the beginning of an uncertain and possibly exciting new chapter in South African governance. President Cyril Ramaphosa, once a protege of Nelson Mandela, is at the center of this whirlwind. Despite overseeing the ANC's poorest election performance ever, Ramaphosa managed to retain his sense of humor, jokingly brushing off a slip of the tongue that called him the extinguished rather than distinguished president. "I'm not yet extinguished," he quipped. But jokes aside, he's got his work cut out for him. The ANC now faces a tough choice. They could form a coalition with their main rival, the Democratic Alliance, or DA. This is seen by many analysts as the most stable option. Together they would have enough seats to govern. However, their past criticisms of each other could make this coalition a challenging marriage. Alternatively, the ANC might consider aligning with the Economic Freedom Fighters, or EFF, and the MK party. This option, though, might worry foreign investors since these parties have pushed for nationalizing key industries. What's clear is that coalition politics are here to stay in South Africa, bringing with them a new era of compromise and negotiation. This could be a healthy step toward a more balanced governance, where no single party holds all the power, potentially reducing corruption and ensuring more voices are heard in the political process. But it's not just about political maneuvers. There's a bigger picture here. The youth in South Africa, disillusioned by ongoing corruption and high unemployment, have shown they want change. They've moved away from the ANC, a party their elders revered for its role in ending apartheid. This generational shift could redefine South African politics for years to come. So what do you think? Are these coalition talks a step forward for South Africa, or do they signal a period of instability? Let's discuss in the comments below. And if you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content like this. See you in the next video.